anybody coming up the ramp.
Oh, jeez.
Police staff at 64, 85 kilometers.
There's that. Fucking says loud.
I know.
Traffic 42, I blocked off the entrance ramp on 423. And there's also 3 officers there.
Working hard.
Great, thank you very much. Alright, please come in. Traffic 55 on South Walk. Right, traffic 55. Yes, sir. Order for this unit on 322. I'm sorry, on 12. Instruction about having for a driveway on medical. And a big light breach in Spring Township for 278 Boulevard between the area and Northern Paper Drive. They on medical 1131. Traffic 42 on location.
So had you check the traffic on the map? There's 55 right there.
Go ahead. Alright, the traffic standing still the way it is. I don't know if there'll be much help, but it's a quick stop. Say before you get to the curve, right before Lancaster Avenue, instead of warning sign. Okay, the curve like where Euler Station used to be, in there. Yeah, right around there.
Alright, need your magic.
You have the horn too.
Alright.
Will do.
Going down the middle. Switch it up, switch it up. I'm down here at the bottom of Lancaster Avenue, 422 East, with Reading PD. Am I supposed to leave them? Yes, please. I don't want to get all this crap here. Junior car responding with 422. That's P51133. What was that? Still 36. The highway is closed. We're awaiting PennDOT's arrival to see what they want to do with the road. I can't ride on this anymore. It's too much crap. Just look out for debris, okay?
Waiting for PennDOT 1134.
Yep, I see it. Lieutenant Captain 64, just passing Penn Street underpass now. I'll be there. I'm fighting a lot of traffic.
Yeah, I understand that. Get here as carefully as you can.
Yes, sir. Turn the air up, will you? Dying. Well, is that all to do?
Captain 64, traffic 42. Go ahead, 42. Yeah, where's your location? 422 eastbound at the beginning of Lancaster Avenue walkway.
good siren work there. Oh, hit it again.
Copy. Well, I'm on location at the incident, and they said that they're waiting for PennDOT to come out so that they can get their own flag of people.
All right.
And that would be excellent. Thank you.